This is Katie from ShopWildThings. I'm shooting a very quick behind the scenes video of one of our diamond crystal columns that we made with real crystal bead strands. We can make this for you in any length that you'd like. You can order them right on the website if you want to, or you can call us up. We can do different densities, any length. We have different sizes of real crystal beads. The naked eye can't quite catch the sparkle that these can. In your event, you're not going to need all of this lighting on these, but in order to pick it up with the camera, we have to have all this lighting on it. The naked eye can do this without any extra help. So that's why I'm kind of moving around here to show you all that sparkle. Let us make you something spectacular.